Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's going to be just like the title said. You're going to watch me retwist my hair using the 2-strand twist. So you're going to see how I do it, the motion, how I get it done. So I usually start on freshly washed hair. So if you want to see like my real true regimen, I just uploaded the moisturizing part. I also have a wash video, so it's wash and then moisturize, and then this will be the video where you see me do the retwist. So if you need to catch up, go ahead, catch up and come right back. Okay, right, let's part the hair in 4. So I'm going to start with this side, and I guess I'll walk you through a portion of it, and then I'll fast forward. I need to take my glasses off. Oh, I can't see now. Okay. So, alright, so I'm going to start with these 2. I don't focus on parts. I do my best, and that's all. Y'all know I can't even see, so when I'm doing this, I'm pretending. Alright, so I'm going to take my aloe vera gel, and I'm going to put it at the root. And I'm going to put that right behind my ear to hold it. Like that. Take this one. Yep. So I just do them a little bit tighter. You don't have to do that. And then I 2-strand twist them. Twist and you wrap it. Twist and wrap it around the other. Twist and wrap around the other. Twist and wrap around the other. Twist. See? I'm going to do these slow just so that you can get it. Let me stand up because I'm out of frame. And then there you have it. And even if you see it's not coming out, that's how you know you did it right. If it does not untwist, you've done your thing, girl. So I never undo like a ponytail. I just make it work within that section. Whether it's on the side or above it, I just, you know, make it work. And then if you think about it, it's like 2 right here, so it works out. But yeah, you're gonna put some aloe vera. Maybe I should change the angle. Alright, so once again, going to twist it. Alright, then I just go like this because obviously I just let it go. And then I twist, wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap. Alright, I'm going to fast forward through the rest of this portion, and I'm going to come back with the finished product. So this is one portion of it. So I'm going to go off camera because I don't think you guys want to see this whole process. Do the other side, and then I might show you guys how I do the back, just because it could be a little hard to retwist in the back. So I'll be back. So it's morning. Camera's still about to die. I am not going to take my twist down today. I'm just going to leave them up so that it can be more defined. They are already dry, but I just don't want to take them down today. So I think I'm going to do like 2 ponytails. Let's wrap them up and put a rubber band. Hi guys, so my battery died. I was just briefly saying that I'm not taking my twists down just because I want them to be more defined when I do take them down. So I will be taking it down either tonight or in the morning tomorrow. So I will definitely record that for you as well. And I'll make sure my battery charged because I thought they were. But anyway, so yeah, I'm on my way to work. Hair is still retwisted, and stay tuned. This concludes this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, go ahead and leave me some comments down below. Also, like this video, share it if you have some people that, you know, are thinking about having locks or thinking about going on this journey. And if you made it this far, go ahead and subscribe. We embrace you. We invite you. Go ahead and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. All games to the side. As usual, God bless y'all, and have a great day, night, or whatever it is where you are. Bye.